FDCPA Case Study, Morton vs. O'Brien, 6th Circuit 2023. Legal issue. Whether a debt collector violated the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act by misrepresenting a debtor's identity and threatening foreclosure on the wrong individual's property. In 2003, Laura B. Morton's adult daughter, Laura L. Morton, took out a $200 loan from Columbus check cashers and failed to repay it. In 2016, CCC sued Laura L. Morton and obtained a default judgment. In 2017, Kevin O'Brien, representing CCC, sent a debt collection letter to Laura B. Morton, the mother, stating that a judgment lien had been placed on her property and threatening foreclosure. The letter was sent despite O'Brien knowing that Laura B. Morton was not the debtor. Upon receiving the letter, Morton contacted O'Brien, who refused to remove the lien after being informed of the mistake. Morton filed a lawsuit under the FDCPA, alleging that O'Brien misrepresented her obligation to pay the debt, falsely claimed a lien had been placed on her property, and threatened foreclosure. The jury found in favor of Morton, awarding her $50,000 in actual damages and $1,000 in statutory damages. The district court also awarded Morton over $88,000 in attorney's fees and costs. O'Brien appealed the decision, challenging the verdict and the attorney's fee award. The Sixth Circuit affirmed the lower court's judgment, finding that O'Brien had waived his ability to challenge the verdict by filing the wrong type of post-verdict motion, and that the attorney's fee award was reasonable. Court's reasoning. The Sixth Circuit upheld the jury's findings, emphasizing that O'Brien's actions violated the FDCPA by 1. Misrepresenting that Morton owed the alleged debt. O'Brien knew that Morton was not the debtor but still sent the collection letter. 2. Falsely claiming a lien had been placed on her property. The letter indicated that a lien had been secured against Morton's home, which was not the case. 3. Threatening foreclosure on her property. The letter warned of imminent foreclosure, causing undue distress to Morton. The court also affirmed the attorney's fee award, noting that under the FDCPA, successful plaintiffs are entitled to reasonable attorney's fees. Key takeaways. Debt collectors must accurately identify debtors and cannot misrepresent information to third parties. Under the FDCPA, prevailing plaintiffs are entitled to reasonable attorney's fees and costs. Parties must adhere to procedural rules when challenging verdicts. Failure to do so can result in waiving the right to appeal. This case underscores the importance of accurate identification in debt collection practices and the protections afforded to consumers under the FDCPA. It also highlights the potential for significant financial awards, including attorney's fees, for consumers who prevail in such cases. If you are dealing with aggressive debt collection, know you have rights. You can get a free, no-obligation consultation with a Resolve legal plan attorney.